Should I use this to wipe it off?
Scrub it with your hands first. Just be gentle. Yeah, is that nice? It probably feels good to rub the head a little bit, huh? Sorry, out of focus.
He has curly hair, but he gets curly hair after his bath. It's so cool.
Mm-hmm.
Bless you. He's pushing off the side of the.
I like it in there.
Sticky.
What are you doing?
Sticky. There we go. Now you're wearing some clothes. Okay, you ready to wash your head off?
Squirmin', wormin'.
Squirmin', wormin', come over here, German. Hey, don't come in, Nick.